and this happens to be a Pakistani terrorist. The Doda encounter, there is a report, ground report, filed by Gursimran on that encounter in which that terrorist was killed. Let's have a look. All right, in the pictures you can see the M4 carbine, which is a US-made weapon which has been found in possession of the Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorist who was gunned down in the Doda encounter. Remember, the encounter went on for more than 6-7 hours, and ultimately the terrorist was cornered and eliminated by the security forces in a joint operation between the Jammu and Kashmir police and the armed forces. And these are pictures from the ground. These are deferred live pictures. These are not live pictures. And let's look at that report filed by Gursimran from the spot.
In a big success for the security forces, Jammu and Kashmir police along with the Indian Army and the paramilitary forces has neutralized a Pakistani terrorist in the upper reaches of the Doda's Gando. Right now we are at the ground zero where the security forces have coordinated the entire area, and now the operation is said to be in the advanced stage. One terrorist has already been neutralized, and this is a big success for the security forces, be it Jammu and Kashmir police, the Indian Army's 4 Rashtra Rifles, 9 Para or the Central Armored Police Force, along with the VDGs that have played a key role. Those who have taken the gun to wipe out terrorism in 90s have once again taken the gun to ensure that their area remains the terror-free. Though this is a 303, but when it comes to their enthusiasm, their zeal to wipe out the terrorism, it is of the next level. Entire area has been coordinated by the Indian Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police. If I'll request Sarjeevan to show you a 360-degree view of the area, then you will be in a position to understand that how tough the terrain is when it comes to this challenging area. But the security forces, they hunt down the terrorists within 15 days of the attack on the Jammu and Kashmir police, in which Constable Fareed got injured when the security forces tried to launch an attack on the location of the terrorists where they were hiding on the June 13th. And since then, relentless operations were launched by the Jammu and Kashmir police along with the 4 Rashtra Rifles as well as the 9 Para of the Indian Army along with the paramilitary forces. And now in a successful operation so far, one terrorist has been neutralized and a US-made M4 carbine rifle has been recovered. This M4 rifle is usually given by the Jaish to its top commanders, those who are operating in Jammu and Kashmir. We have seen in the Kathua also that the terrorist who was killed, one was carrying the AK rifle while other was carrying M4 rifle, and now the entire area has been cordoned in. The security forces, those who have carried out the operation, they are also here. Few meters from this very place is the place where the operation site is, and now the area combing operation is underway. This is a big success coming ahead of the Amarnath Yatra, because we are less than 36 hours to the Amarnath Yatra, and a major terror plot has been foiled as the security forces have gunned down a terrorist, primarily seems to be from the Pakistan, who was carrying a M4 carbine along with the huge cache of arms and ammunition, that a bag that has been recovered from his possession. And now the searches are underway for other terrorists that are active in the area. The initial input was of 2 to 3 terrorists being active in the area, and now the entire area is under the cordon and the operations are underway. We continue to report from the ground zero, the only channel from the ground zero, Republic TV, from the Gando area of Doda, with Sarjeevan Kumar.